welcome. This is Lock Lover. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're not, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to attempt to pick the Illinois DUO Padlock. This is a vintage lock that I purchased from Mark Chapter 13 off of the lock picking subreddit in Discord. This is a triple bitted wafer lock. So it's a little bit different than what we're used to. If you can see down in there or not. But we have wafers that need to be picked on both sides of the keyway, and there are also what everybody calls side wafers, which actually they're still up and down. I'll show you just a second. Show you in just a second here. You have bitting on both sides of the key, and on one side of the key you have a spot that is milled out right here on top. So you have, I believe it's 3 wafers that work off of this. And then there's, I believe, 5 on each side of the key. So the key only goes in one way because of that bitting. It's not milled out on both sides of the key. It's only on the one side there, as you can see. So it only goes in one direction. And let's see if we can get this picked on camera. I've only opened it a couple times. It was nothing hard. It's basically same procedure as normal. Find a binder, pick it, and move on. So I'm going to try bottom of the keyway tension, which it really doesn't matter. I just like to get it out of my way here to do these side wafers. I get them picked, you'll see some core movement. There we go, got our little bit of movement there. So now we know that the 3 on the milled out portion of the key have been picked. Now it's just finding a binder and moving along with it. You get a little bit of progressive false set as you pick the wafers, and you can unset a wafer, because now that I'm prying up this way, can push further or whatnot on the other wafers. Always want to check right behind that tension wrench. Got a little movement there. Getting the back of it there. I believe we got them all up top now. That doesn't mean anything. When we go back to the bottom, we can unset them. A really nice false set now. If only we can find the one that's keeping us from opening. I believe I just unset one there. Felt the cord get really bindy. There we go. Got him back. We don't feel nothing up top. I'll show you my ball set here. So from my experience so far, I believe that's one wafer left. If I can find it. Everything on the bottom feels super solid. So if it's not one behind there we go, we got it. And we've got it open. Okay, before the camera runs out here, there is your Illinois DUO. It is non-guttable. If you would like to see what is inside one of these locks or a representation, I recommend you check out the Lockpicking Lawyers video. Sorry, I do not know the number. I may incorporate it into the video, the number there for you to check it out. All in all, it's a pretty easy pick. I mean, don't let the term high security or triple bitted fool you. Once you kind of learn its little quirks there, it's not a bad pick. I mean, it took me a lot longer than what it should have. I'll be honest, I haven't picked a lock in over 3 weeks. So that's the first lock I've opened in my slump. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.